I open Microsoft Word in my Windows computer, and I'm simply going to type here 338F. So I type like this 338F. So I type like this 338F, and after typing that I'm going to simply press in my computer keyboard. This is the alt key and this is S key, so I'm going to press these two keys at the same time. One of my finger is in this alt key and another is in this S key, so I press these two keys at the same time. Then you can see that it changed to kg, or the kilogram symbol have been arrived here. So this is a word shortcut method, and you can simply use this to move and add some kgs here. For example, if you want to put a 10 kg, then you must put 10, and I can see that 10 kg appear here. Hope this video is useful for more videos. You can subscribe. Thank you.